Hey people, so we are at this place called Nico's, and it's got a very cool and cute vibe really. If you were to take a look, it's this is very close to Blue Cross in Banjara Hills. So Ayush, how do you find this place?
Good. It's good ambience. I like that.
Yeah.
I like the roof.
Yeah, actually we are here thanks to Ayush really. So and you can always trust this little guy to discover the cutest, hottest spots in Hyderabad. So that's a screen playing some cricket match. And yeah, the seating, there are sofas to that end. And we could have sat there, but then it was not this thing. Here you have the bar area. So yeah, so this place, it's called Nico's, and everything, the starting range is let's say 400, but yeah, it's got a cool vibe. So I'm glad I'm here. Once the food comes, we'll do another video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.